The 1969 Dodge Dart, listed for $9,000 with 100,000 miles in Santa Maria, California, has a black exterior and interior and runs on gasoline. It features a strong-running 360 engine, 727 transmission, and a Dana rear end. However, it has rust at the rear window on the driver's side and the passenger quarter panel, and the rear seats are not installed. The 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger is a classic model known for its sporty design and strong performance. Priced at $9,000, it seems reasonable given the functioning engine and key components, though additional costs for rust repair and seat installation should be considered. The 1978 Chevrolet Camaro, listed for $9,000 in Santa Ana, California, has 1,500 miles, a red exterior, and a black interior. It features a rebuilt 5.7 V engine and transmission, but the power windows are not functional. The car is described as running well and fun to drive, with additional features like halo lights and rear taillights. The 1978 Chevrolet Camaro is a classic muscle car known for its powerful performance and iconic design. At $9,000, this car seems like a fair deal considering the rebuilt engine and transmission. However, the non-functional power windows may require additional repair costs. The 1968 Oldsmobile Delta 442, priced at $7,000 with 177,000 miles, features a green exterior and tan interior. It has a single owner, a clean title, and no significant damage. The vehicle is equipped with 13-inch rims, a sound system, functioning AC and radio, and a good engine and transmission. The 1968 Oldsmobile Delta 442 is a classic American muscle car known for its robust performance and stylish design. Priced at $7,000, this car appears to be a good deal given its overall condition and functionality, including the ability to be used as a daily driver. However, the high mileage should be taken into consideration for future maintenance. The 1966 Ford Mustang, listed for $8,500 with 166,000 miles, has a red exterior and is equipped with an inline-six engine. The car holds a clean title and is described as running well, though it needs some work to run perfectly. The paint condition is rated 7/10 and the interior is rated 8/10. The 1966 Ford Mustang is an iconic classic car, beloved for its design and performance. At $8,500, it presents a reasonable project car opportunity, given its generally good running condition and solid interior. However, potential buyers should be prepared for additional work to address the paint issues and any other mechanical needs to achieve optimal performance. The 1977 Chevrolet El Camino, listed for $6,000 with 90,000 miles in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, has an orange exterior and runs on gasoline. It features a 383 stroker motor, turbo 350 transmission, and B&M ratchet shifter. The seller mentions that all lights work, brakes are in great condition, and it has good tires and a posy rear end. The 1977 Chevrolet El Camino is a classic utility vehicle known for its blend of car-like comfort and truck-like utility. At $6,000, it appears to be a good deal considering the upgraded 383 stroker motor and turbo 350 transmission, which are desirable enhancements for performance enthusiasts. Its good overall condition, especially the functional lights, brakes, and tires, makes it a solid option for those looking for a classic vehicle that's ready to drive. The 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Hardtop 2D, listed for $9,999 with 103,000 miles in Florence, Alabama, has a black exterior and interior, an automatic transmission, and a 350 engine. It features T-tops and is described as running and driving well, with no significant damage or problems, and holds a clean title. The 1978 Chevrolet Corvette is a classic sports car renowned for its performance and distinctive style. Priced at $9,999, it seems reasonable for a well-maintained model with T-tops and a solid engine. This car is likely a good investment for enthusiasts looking for a classic Corvette in good running condition, with the bonus of having a clean title and no significant issues. The 1966 Plymouth Valiant 200, listed for $8,000 in Senoia, Georgia, has an automatic transmission, a gray exterior, and a blue interior. It features a 360 V8 engine with a Demon carburetor, 7 and 27 transmission, shift kit, and 3,000 stall. The car is described as solid and strong running, with a straight body that is 95% rust-free and interior in good condition. The vehicle includes AC and is ready for paint with trim in the trunk. The 1966 Plymouth Valiant 200 is a classic compact car known for its reliability and performance. Priced at $8,000, it appears to be a good value given the strong engine and transmission upgrades and the overall solid condition of the car. The minor rust and need for paint are considerations, but the car's readiness to drive and good interior condition make it a worthwhile investment for classic car enthusiasts. The 1979 Buick Regal Custom Coupe two-door, listed for $6,800 with 68,000 miles in Portersville, Pennsylvania, features a burgundy exterior and interior, an automatic transmission, and a 3.8 V6 engine. The car is noted for having no significant damage or problems and holds a clean title. The 1979 Buick Regal is a classic American coupe known for its smooth ride and comfortable interior. Priced at $6,800, it seems like a reasonable deal given its low mileage and good running condition. With no significant issues and a clean title, it presents a solid option for those seeking a reliable, classic car with a stylish look. The 1978 Chevrolet Malibu, listed for $9,500, presents a classic appeal with its black exterior and updated mechanical components. The vehicle boasts a cammed 5.3 carbureted engine and a mildly-built T-Aki 350 transmission, indicative of significant performance upgrades. The seller highlights recent enhancements, including strange engineering brakes, Viking Crusader shocks, and Moroso springs. However, it requires alignment and a new driver's side ball joint, which potential buyers should consider. Historically, the Chevrolet Malibu has been a popular midsize car since its introduction in 1964, known for its reliability and performance. The 1978 model, part of the fourth generation, marked a shift towards downsizing and improved fuel efficiency. Given the modifications and condition, the asking price is relatively reasonable, assuming the buyer values the performance upgrades and can address the minor issues. The 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed at $9,000, offers a compelling mix of originality and recent upgrades. With a rebuilt 200 CI straight-six engine and numerous new components such as the gas tank, lines, brakes, tires, radiator, and carburetor, the car promises reliability and a fun driving experience. Despite some rust on the rear quarter panel and minor dings, the vehicle is road-ready with a clean title and valid registration. Notably, the interior retains original seats with covers and a new fiberglass headliner, though some gauges are non-functional. The 1966 Ford Mustang, part of the first generation introduced in 1964, is an iconic model known for its sporty design and performance. Given its historical significance, the combination of original features and recent restorations makes the price reasonable, particularly for enthusiasts seeking a classic cruiser with character. The 1966 Dodge Dart, priced at $7,500, appears to be in good condition with a clean title and no significant damage. The car features a V8 engine, automatic transmission, and new top and motor, brakes, leaf springs, and shocks. The seller has repaired rust on the rear quarters, and the vehicle has been lightly used, averaging 1,000 miles annually over the last 12 years. Interior and additional photos are promised, which would be essential for a comprehensive evaluation. Introduced in the early 1960s, the Dodge Dart is known for its durability and practicality, with the 1966 model being part of the third generation. This model is appreciated for its straightforward design and reliable performance. Considering the recent maintenance and improvements, the asking price is fair for a classic car enthusiast looking for a well-maintained, everyday driver with vintage appeal. The 1966 Chevrolet Malibu, priced at $7,000 and with 95,000 miles, presents as a largely original vehicle with its 283 engine and Powerglide transmission. The seller indicates it runs well and serves as a daily driver. Despite being in the early stages of restoration, the car includes original parts like the bench seat and additional chrome, adding value for enthusiasts interested in completing the project. The vehicle has a clear Missouri title. The 1966 Chevrolet Malibu, part of the second generation, is renowned for its solid build and classic design, popular among collectors. Given its original components and running condition, the asking price is reasonable for a classic car with potential for full restoration, appealing to those who appreciate the historical significance and enjoy hands-on projects. The 1974 Pontiac Ventura GTO, listed for $6,000, is equipped with a small block Chevy 350 engine featuring a small cam, long tube headers, Edelbrock intake and carburetor, and various performance enhancements such as new disc brakes, rear shocks, electric fuel pump, and fan. Despite its upgraded features, the car currently needs a new carburetor due to fuel delivery issues. The Pontiac Ventura, particularly the GTO variant, is a classic muscle car known for its power and performance. The 1974 model year marked a transitional period for muscle cars as they adapted to changing regulations and market demands. Given the mechanical upgrades and condition, the asking price is competitive, especially for buyers willing to address the carburetor issue and complete any additional necessary maintenance. The 1961 Oldsmobile 88 sedan, priced at $8,400 with 50,000 miles, is a classic vehicle featuring a 394 engine and 3-speed automatic transmission. The car has new tires and exhaust and is described as running great. It boasts a clean title and is a one-owner vehicle. With a straight body and original paint, it presents an excellent opportunity for restoration. The Oldsmobile 88 is a historically significant model known for its robust performance and stylish design, especially in the early 1960s. The 1961 model year saw the introduction of more modern styling cues. Given its condition and originality, the asking price is fair, particularly for collectors seeking a well-preserved classic with a solid foundation for restoration. The 1973 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe, listed for $6,500, features a Chevy 350 engine and automatic transmission. The vehicle is described as running, registered, and roadworthy, with a working sound system and a fully functional complete setup. The green exterior and interior add to its classic appeal. The 1973 Monte Carlo SS is part of the first generation known for its distinctive long hood and elegant design, blending performance and luxury. Considering it is roadworthy and fully functional, the asking price is reasonable for a classic car enthusiast seeking a reliable, stylish vehicle from this era. The 1969 Dodge Dart, priced at $9,500 with 40,000 miles, features a Slant 6 engine and automatic transmission. The vehicle has a straight body and clean interior with no significant damage or problems. It is described as running and driving great, requiring only a paint job if desired. The 1969 Dodge Dart is part of the fourth generation known for its compact size and solid performance. The Slant 6 engine is particularly noted for its reliability. Given its condition and mileage, the asking price is fair for a classic car enthusiast looking for a dependable, easy-to-maintain vehicle with a solid foundation for further customization or restoration. The 1972 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $8,000, features a Slant 6 3.7 225 engine and automatic transmission. The vehicle runs great, evidenced by the seller's daily use. Recent upgrades include a new water pump, thermostat, shocks, fuel pump, distributor cap, and spark wires. The brakes have also been redone, and it comes with additional parts like an extra driver's side door and an electric fan. The paint and interior need some work, but the car has no serious rust, a clean title, and is currently registered. The 1972 Plymouth Valiant, part of the third generation, is known for its durability and reliability, making it a popular choice among classic car enthusiasts. Given the extensive recent maintenance and the inclusion of extra parts, the asking price is reasonable, especially for those looking for a well-maintained, reliable classic with potential for further restoration. The 1975 Chevrolet El Camino, listed for $8,950 with 115,000 miles, is a one-owner vehicle in original condition. This barn find features a 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, and power windows. The beige exterior and interior are in great shape, indicating careful preservation. The 1975 El Camino SS, a blend of car and truck, is part of the fourth generation, known for its distinctive style and versatility. Given its original condition and completeness, the asking price is fair, especially for collectors seeking a well-preserved classic with desirable features like factory air and power windows. This vehicle offers a solid foundation for either preservation or restoration. The 1974 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $9,000, features a small block engine and automatic transmission. The vehicle is described as running and driving well, with recent registration and title transfer papers available despite the loss of the original title. It has a black exterior and interior, contributing to its classic muscle car appeal. The 1974 Chevrolet Nova, part of the third generation, is known for its robust performance and straightforward design. The small block engine is a popular choice among enthusiasts for its reliability and power. Given its running condition and completeness, the asking price is reasonable for a classic car enthusiast looking for a well-maintained vehicle with minimal hassle for ownership transfer. The 1976 Chevrolet Camaro, listed at $9,500 with 108,888 miles, has an automatic transmission and a yellow exterior with a black interior. The car, which has been sitting in a garage for 20 years, was recently brought from New Mexico and is now running. However, it needs a new gas tank, and the interior is not in very good condition. Despite these issues, the car is described as very solid. The 1976 Camaro, part of the second generation, is known for its sleek design and solid performance. Given its long period of inactivity and the need for interior and fuel system work, the asking price might be on the higher side unless the buyer values the car's solid structure and potential for restoration. This vehicle could be a good project car for enthusiasts looking to restore a classic Camaro to its former glory.